Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving deep into an essential component of project management, collecting project requirements. In project management, this process is not just a task, but it's an art that plays a pivotal role in laying the foundation for a successful project. Over the next 8 minutes, we're going to discuss effective techniques and strategies for gathering comprehensive and accurate project requirements. Now, let's begin by understanding what project requirements are. They define the features, functions, and tasks that a project must accomplish for it to be considered a success. Requirements serve as the project's roadmap, giving clear directions to the project team while setting the right expectations for stakeholders. They are the heart of the project's scope, dictating what should be delivered by the end of the project. Given the importance of project requirements, it's crucial that we understand the art of collecting them. The techniques for gathering project requirements can be diverse, each serving different project scenarios and stakeholder groups. The key here is to select a method that best suits your project's unique circumstances. The first step in collecting project requirements is to engage stakeholders actively. Your stakeholders are not just spectators of the project. They are vital contributors whose insights can significantly influence the project's direction. Each stakeholder brings a unique perspective, and their collective inputs can help define accurate and comprehensive project requirements. One effective way of engaging stakeholders and collecting their input is by conducting interviews and workshops. This direct form of communication enables you to tap into the stakeholders' knowledge and experiences. In-depth discussions and brainstorming sessions during interviews and workshops can unearth hidden requirements and potential challenges, providing you with a robust set of project requirements. Let's move on to another innovative approach for collecting project requirements, and that's prototyping. A prototype is an initial model or a mock-up of the project's end product. By creating a tangible or visual representation of the project outcome, stakeholders can better understand and articulate their requirements. Prototypes foster rich discussions, leading to a more comprehensive and accurate collection of project requirements. Now, while direct interaction with stakeholders is invaluable, in larger projects, this might not always be feasible due to the sheer number of stakeholders involved. In such cases, requirement gathering tools come to the rescue. These can range from digital surveys and questionnaires to specialized software that helps gather, organize, and manage project requirements. Leveraging these tools can help collect requirements efficiently from a large number of stakeholders. However, the process of collecting project requirements does not end with merely gathering them. It's equally important to document these requirements clearly and then validate them with stakeholders. This additional step ensures that everyone is on the same page, and it significantly reduces the chances of misunderstandings and scope creep later in the project. Having collected, documented, and validated the project requirements, it's crucial to keep them up to date throughout the project lifecycle. Requirements can evolve with time and changing project circumstances, and maintaining an updated record ensures you're always working towards the current project objectives. Now, it's worth noting that collecting project requirements is not a one-size-fits-all process. The methods and tools used can vary significantly depending on the project's scale, complexity, the industry in which you're operating, and the unique characteristics of your stakeholder group. However, the essence remains the same: to gather a complete, accurate, and shared understanding of what the project aims to achieve. With this in mind, it's essential to approach the requirement collection process with a good deal of flexibility. While it's beneficial to have a structured process, being open to adjustments can help you adapt to unexpected changes or new information, ensuring your project remains relevant and effective. Moreover, it's important to remember that collecting project requirements is not just a task to be checked off at the beginning of the project. Instead, it's a continuous activity. As the project progresses, new requirements might emerge, or existing ones may change. Regular reviews and updates to the project requirements will help ensure the project stays on track and delivers the intended value to stakeholders. Effective communication also plays a key role in collecting project requirements. When stakeholders are spread across different departments, regions, or even time zones, ensuring clear and consistent communication can be a challenge. But it's a challenge that must be met head-on, as effective communication fosters understanding, reduces ambiguities, and ensures all stakeholders have a clear vision of the project's requirements. Finally, investing time in training your team and stakeholders on the process of collecting project requirements can also be beneficial. This helps everyone understand the importance of requirements, how to define them clearly, and their role in the process, leading to more effective requirement collection. In conclusion, collecting project requirements is a critical part of project management. Mastering the art of requirement collection can significantly increase your project's chances of success. It involves stakeholder engagement, interviews and workshops, prototyping, leveraging requirement gathering tools, and the documentation and validation of requirements. This process lays a solid foundation for the project, guiding it towards successful completion. Remember, a project's success is not just about delivering on time and within budget. It's also about delivering something that meets stakeholder expectations and adds value to the organization. And it all starts with a comprehensive, well-understood set of project requirements. Thank you for joining us in exploring the art of collecting project requirements. Stay tuned for the next installment in this series on scope management, where we'll delve deeper into defining and managing the project scope effectively. Until then, be well.